Hey, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So after a very long time, my brother, this is an emergency content because my brother, you can see this time there is no time. You can see here. So max supply has completely fell down from last 24 hour, and you can see a change in the last 7 days. Minus 23.06% is decreased now. So it's a really bad news, my friend, and this is emergency because my brother, a lot of holders starting doing very big mistake to they starting selling. So I just share my opinion, I predicate this coin, I do a technical analysis, and at the end you understand to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So try to understand, please. If you cannot understand, then ask me, I will explain you in a comment box. This time you can see the Stellar XLM, one of the fastest coin this time in the crypto market, but this time you can see they fails down. So what's the main reasons to this coin is falls down? I think the reasons is that, my brother, there are two big reasons. The main reason is that this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency in the start of month very badly falls down now. So and the second reason is that to my friend, Stellar XLM not a good coin for my friend long time. It's a very good coin, my friend, for short time investor. So therefore, my friend, a lot of people, my friend, invest for short time. So therefore, if a short time investor see the highest jump, then absolutely they will starting selling now. So therefore, holders are starting selling. So this coin is completely fails down now. So my brother, if I is going to show you, you can see there is not a big alert available, but my friends, I will alert all of you, my brothers, to there is no chance, my brothers, to this coin is going the moon now. But let me, my friends, I will tell you to, you can see here after a failed every cryptocurrency take a very huge jump now. So I think there is more chances to they will go in the moon now, but my brother, let's see. So kindly hold your before my friends, I will give you one good news. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So the good news is that, my brothers, to giveaway is coming soon now. So you need to participate. Please just and only you subscribe this channel and press the bell icon when I make videos, and you watch it and absolutely do what I think, what I tell you, my brother. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.